This RE/MAX Realtec Group property video is presented by Kim Sabetsky. Absolutely spectacular detached maintenance-free one-story villa with your own private pool. You will love this 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2-car garage pool home with awesome views of the golf course and pond. The driveway, walkway and pool lanai have beautiful brick pavers. This home offers an open floor plan to include 3-way split bedroom plan, eat-in space in the kitchen, inside laundry room and most of all one owner. The AC and water heater are approximately 3 years old and kitchen appliances are newer. The master bath offers double sinks, walk-in shower and a garden tub. All the bedrooms are nice-sized and can accommodate most bedroom furniture. You will love relaxing out by the pool and enjoying the outdoor kitchen for those get-togethers. This home is well kept and super clean so that you can move right in.